Welcome back. This is Swam again, and in this video, we are going to talk about how you can generate amazing headlines without hiring any copywriter for your agency or for your sales funnels. All right. So basically, you can instantly create dozens of attention-grabbing headlines that is grab the attentions of the people and helps you to generate more leads and as more and more conversions for your business. All right. So right now what people does do that they target they go to Fiverr or something similar platforms, like I don't know really apart from Fiverr. So they visit to Fiverr and they hire a copywriter to write a complete sales copy or headlines for them. All right. And you are regularly paying them. So right now I have a solution which I am going to share is basically a software which named Funnescripts. It is a complete software developed by Jim Edwards, a good friend of the Russell Brunson. And using this software you can generate hundreds and thousands of amazing headlines for your sales copy, webinar funnels, even for your email marketing subject lines and attention grabbing Facebook advertisements headlines. All right. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can use these amazing software. All right. So what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit over here. I have provided the overview what is Funnelytics actually. So what you need to do is click here to generate headlines. When you click over here, it will redirect you to a window something like this. All right. So it's a basically software and you would be able to instantly create dozens of attention grabbing headlines. All right. So what you need to do is you just need to provide the data. You need to provide the filters to these form, you can say form fields, and at last once you hit click the build button, it will generate the headlines within 30 seconds. All right. So I have entered the different keywords over here, like my target audience is here. You may have a look that I have entered the my audience target is agencies, and the main keyword I am looking for the sales funnels templates because I am promoting Askmefunnels membership area. The another main keyword topic I have is sales funnel templates. It's completely your choice according to your target audience, whatever the fields you are going to enter here. Oh, all right. So you can also get example here so that you can understand what you actually need to enter in these fields. All right. So here is the another option, what is the big results they want. All right. So let's say I am looking for the high ticket clients. All right. So the agencies who are looking to get high ticket clients, I am going to target them. Right. So similarly, I have entered all the details in these fields, and once I am done with that, I will click on the build button, and as you can see, it has generated 113 plus uh, amazing attention grabbing headlines. All right. So the example of the headlines are how to get high ticket clients without losing money on advertisements. How to get high ticket clients so you can avoid losing money on advertisements. How to generate more leads for your business without losing money on advertisement. Basically, these are the top attention grabbing headlines, and you can use this software to generate hundreds of headlines for your own business or for your own advertisements. And even if you are looking for the complete sales script of your webinar, of your live videos, of your email marketing, and whatever the marketing material you need to promote your business, you can use this software to write all the script with just few clicks. All right. So this is all about the funnel script softwares, and you can grab your own copy of funnel scripts when you click over here. Alright, to get your own copy, just click over here and you would be able to sign up for the Funnescripts software. And once you are done with that, you would be able to generate thousands of amazing headlines for any business niche. There is no limit. You can use Funnescripts for any kind of business, for any kind of marketing system. All right, so this is all about the amazing headline script generator. And if you have any questions for the funnel script, just hit to the need support button on the right bottom corner, and I would it help you to provide some answers. And if you are still not happy for those answers, you can just contact us, and I would be really glad to help you out related to this software inquiries. All right, thanks for watching this video.